Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Hey friends, today we have this Makita DC10WD, and the problem is once we connect to the power, it's not working. As I told you last video related to Makita, the other model, first we check with the plug fuse, and I check this one is okay. Now we just open and let's see what's inside. Here we open the charger and you can see here is some mark that for something, some components is blast, and I show you here. That is actually this one, VS1 component, that is plus. It is called VDR, voltage dependent resistance, or MOV, or this fuse is also damaged. I think we check with the help of multimeter. You can see this, you can see here it is not working, it is not yani, it's blown. Okay, and also this VDR is blown. We replace these two elements, and we see after that we have we have VDR, and here is fuse. We just replace those two, and we see here I open this VDR and this fuse. As you can see, it's blown, and this fuse we'll just replace, and we will put this TVR or VDR or MOV with this insulation. Here I put heatsink sleeve. You can see both ends. This is now I replaced also. I changed the fuse, and now I put this VDR. I soldered and replaced both components. Now I just see we plug in the supply. Here you can see we plug in and the LED is on, and our charger is in okay condition. And I open this insulation and show you how you can check it is fully damaged or not. You can see this VDR is blast total. I remove this insulation, and why it's damaged? Because of over voltage or voltage fluctuations. And my next video I'll show you another faults and solutions that can help you to work on these kind of stuff. Thank you.